Synthesia versus HeyGen AI avatar generators. Choosing the right AI avatar creator can transform how you produce engaging videos without complex setups. Both offer powerful features but differ in customization and ease of use. Synthesia and HeyGen are leading AI avatar generators designed to create realistic video avatars from text. The core difference lies in Synthesia's extensive enterprise tools versus HeyGen's focus on user-friendly customization and faster avatar generation. Synthesia is a professional AI video generation platform that creates lifelike avatars from text input. It works by using advanced neural networks to synthesize realistic facial expressions and voice synchronization. Users can select from a wide range of avatars or create custom ones for branding consistency. Its strengths include robust language support, high-quality video output, and integrations with enterprise workflows, making it ideal for corporate training, marketing, and e-learning content. However, Synthesia's pricing is on the higher side, and the platform requires some learning to maximize its full potential. It is best suited for businesses and professionals who need polished, scalable video production with advanced customization and support. HeyGen is an AI avatar generator designed for quick and easy video creation with a focus on accessibility. It transforms text into animated avatars with natural lip sync and expressive gestures. HeyGen offers a streamlined interface with drag-and-drop features, enabling users to customize avatars and backgrounds without technical skills. Its strengths include affordability, rapid video generation, and a wide selection of avatar styles ideal for social media content, small businesses, and individual creators. Limitations include fewer enterprise-grade features and slightly less polished avatar realism compared to Synthesia. HeyGen is perfect for users seeking a fast, intuitive way to create engaging videos without complex setups or high costs. Synthesia and HeyGen serve different needs despite overlapping capabilities. Synthesia excels in professional environments requiring high-quality, brand-aligned avatars and extensive language options suitable for training videos and corporate use. HeyGen shines for creators and small businesses needing quick, affordable, and user-friendly video content with decent avatar realism. While Synthesia offers deeper customization and enterprise integrations, it demands a higher budget and learning curve. HeyGen prioritizes speed and ease, trading off some advanced features and ultra-realism. Choosing between them depends on your priorities. If you want polished, scalable video production with professional support, Synthesia is the better choice. For fast, budget-friendly videos with simple customization, HeyGen is more practical. Choose Synthesia if you require high-quality, scalable AI avatars with extensive customization and enterprise features for professional video production and brand consistency. Options summary for HeyGen if you want an easy-to-use, affordable AI avatar generator that delivers quick results with good realism. It's perfect for content creators and small businesses aiming to create engaging videos without complex tools or high costs.